Welcome back, South Jersey. This is the Joe Wiessner Realty channel, your go-to source for all things real estate in the 8 counties of southern New Jersey. Today we're diving into the Camden County real estate market with a countdown of property values for 2025, from the most affordable to the most exclusive. Stick around to the end, discover where your community ranks. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hyper-local market insights. Let's jump right in. Coming in at number 33 is Camden City. Urban comeback? Kicking off the list is Camden, where the average property value is $141,000. Known for its rich history and proximity to Philadelphia, Camden is experiencing a resurgence with exciting developmental projects on the horizon. Number 32 is Woodland, small town charm. Woodland comes in at $204,000. This tiny borough may be small, but it offers close-knit community vibes and affordability that's hard to beat. Number 31 is Gloucester City, Riverside Resurgence. At $222,000, Gloucester City boasts Riverside living and a revitalized downtown area. It's a hidden gem for first-time home buyers. Number 30 is Brooklawn, affordable and accessible, coming in at $233,000. Brooklawn is a commuter's dream with easy access to major highways and Philadelphia. Number 29 is Lindenwold, transit-friendly living at $239,000 on average. Lindenwold is the perfect place for those who rely on public transportation thanks to its Patco station and convenient location. Number 28 is Clementon. Splash into savings with an average home price of $248,000. Clementon is home to Clementon Park and Splash World, adding fun and value to the area. Number 27 is Pine Hill, the golf spot. For $266,000, Pine Hill offers affordable living near 2 of the top golf courses in the region, Pine Valley and Trump National Golf Club. Number 26 is Mount Ephraim. Quaint and cozy, Mount Ephraim is priced at $289,000. Offers a small town feel with easy access to urban amenities. Number 25 is Somerdale, brewing community. At $292,000, Somerdale is known for its friendly neighborhoods and Flying Fish Brewery, a local favorite. Number 24 is Chislehurst, peaceful retreat. Chislehurst at $303,000 offers a quiet lifestyle surrounded by nature. Number 23 is Runnymede. Convenience meets value. Runnymede's $304,000 average price makes it an attractive option for families seeking convenience and affordability. Number 22 is Pennsauken. Diverse and dynamic. For $306,000, Pennsauken is known for its cultural diversity and proximity to major shopping and dining hubs. Number 21 is Magnolia, small but mighty. Magnolia stands out at $309,000 and is beloved for its community events and friendly neighborhoods. Number 20 is Laurel Springs, historic elegance. At $313,000, Laurel Springs blends historic charm with modern amenities. Number 19 is Stratford, the educational hub, with an average price of $315,000. Stratford's draw includes Rowan University School of Osteopathic Medicine. Number 18 is Lawnside, rich heritage, priced at $319,000. Lawnside has a deep history of one of the first African-American self-governing communities. Number 17, High Nella, affordability and comfortable. High Nella offers cozy suburban living at $328,000. Number 16 is Winslow Township, expansive living at $333,000. Winslow provides a spacious property and a relaxed lifestyle. Number 15 is Gloucester Township, suburban appeal for $339,000. Gloucester Township is a family favorite with great schools and shopping centers. Number 14 is Merchantville, vintage vibes. At $355,000, Merchantville is known for its charming historic architecture. Number 13 is Waterford, also known as Adco, country comfort for $357,000. Waterford offers a rural feel while being close to urban conveniences. Number 12, Oakland, creative corner. Oakland, priced at $361,000, has a vibrant arts community and cozy downtown. Number 11 is Audubon, Classic Americana. Audubon is coming in at $381,000, reflects its family-friendly neighborhoods and tree-lined streets. Number 10 is Gibbsboro, Serenity and Style. At $384,000, Gibbsboro offers serene settings, especially at Silver Lake, a popular gathering place for picnicking and fishing. Number 9 is Barrington, tight-knit community for $393,000. Barrington is a welcoming town with excellent schools. Number 8 is Berlin Township, modern growth. Berlin Township's $395,000 homes cater to those seeking suburban comfort with growing amenities. Number 7 is its neighbor, Berlin Borough, historic heart at $400,000. Berlin Borough combines historic charm with a bustling downtown. Number 6 is Collingswood, foodie heaven. For $440,000, Collingswood is a destination for food lovers and those who enjoy a walkable downtown. Number 5 is Cherry Hill, shopping and schools. At $450,000, Cherry Hill is a top choice for its upscale shopping and excellent school district. Number 4 is Haddon Township, trendy and timeless. Haddon Township's $460,000 price point are perfect for those seeking a mix of old and new. At number 3 is Modern Luxury. At $464,000, it's Voorhees. They offer high-end living with top-notch schools and amenities. Number 2 is Haddon Heights, quaint elegance. With an average price of $492,000, Haddon Heights offers a quintessential small-town feel with big-time charm. And coming in at the top of the list, number 1 is Haddonfield, New Jersey, the crown jewel. Topping our list at $946,000, Haddonfield is the crown jewel of Camden County with historic homes, boutique shopping, and unparalleled schools. Thanks for joining us on this tour of Camden County's real estate market. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or looking to sell your property, or perhaps both, there's a place for everyone here with Joe Wiessner Realty. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Joe Wiessner Realty's channel for more updates and insights. If you're ready to make a move, contact us today. And as always, Joe Wiessner wants to see you at the settlement table.